Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the location and give you some information on your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor on a 2005 to 2010 Ford Mustang. Make sure to hit that like button right now, and if you know anybody with a Ford Mustang, make sure to tell them about Scotties Hobbies, and please subscribe before you go too far. Now, on the passenger side, you're going to find the Bank 1 side of this engine. So your Bank 1 Sensor 1 is going to be located in front of the catalytic converter, right outside the exhaust manifold. What this oxygen sensor or air-fuel ratio sensor is responsible for doing on this vehicle is reading the air-fuel ratio in the exhaust stream and letting the computer know that information so it knows how much fuel to give or take away from the engine to optimize performance and efficiency of your vehicle. These oxygen sensors or air-fuel ratio sensors should be replaced about every 100,000 miles on most vehicles, and make sure you get a direct replacement. Never get a splice in, and if you can afford it, always get a OEM replacement. A Motorcraft in this situation I would assume, but it might be like a Bosch or something like that. But make sure you get a recommended OEM equivalent. Now, this sensor is going to be replaced using a oxygen sensor socket would be your best case scenario, and Ford recommends using one of these oxygen sensor sockets. Let me get one for you real quick. Now, Ford recommends using one of these short throw little sockets to replace or remove your oxygen sensors on this vehicle. I personally have this oxygen sensor socket set, which comes in handy a lot. It's also an oil pressure sensor set. But this is the actual socket that Ford recommends using to get this job done. Now, according to ALLDATA or Ford, this is a moderate level skill, so a B skill level job, and according to ALLDATA, it's only a 0.6 hour labor time to get this job done. It looks really hard to get to, especially in this video, right there in front of the catalytic converter, but 0.6 hours really is not that much to do any type of job on a vehicle. So it shouldn't be that hard if you have the correct tools to get the job done. Now, when you tighten these up after you replace them, the manufacturer recommended torque specification on these is 35 foot-pounds. You might want to use some anti-seize when you put it on there if it doesn't come already from the factory or from the manufacturer, but put some anti-seize on it just in case you need to replace this next time. It's not so hard to get this job done. So this is going to be the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor on a 2005 to 2010 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below with the vehicle that this video did help you on, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies.